control allows you to manage changes over time. You can track revisions to your project's assets, such as source code, graphics, movies, audio, digital design, or any other type of digital asset. Software teams have been using version control for many years, but depending on your industry, you might be new to the concept. Version control started with software development. Today, version control is used for both hardware and software product development. Virtually any technology, product, or project can benefit from using the right version control system. This includes teams working on everything from an e-commerce website or multiplayer game to software for a self-driving car or semiconductor devices. Version control helps teams build products better and get them to market faster. Let's review the capabilities. The basic benefit of version control is that multiple developers and designers can work on the same set of files without worrying that they are duplicating effort or overriding other team members' work. As projects have become more complex, there's an emerging need to manage multiple versions of not just individual source code files, but entire products. For example, let's say you're deploying a set of high-end internet-connected security cameras. Over the product lifecycle, you may use 10 different types of cameras, each with a different chip. As a result, each will have a different software. Today's version control system can maintain multiple versions of your code to manage the specific functionality of each camera's chip and OS. You may need to deploy a critical security patch to prevent bad guys from hijacking those cameras. The right version control system lets you instantly see which code is impacted, make the changes, and deploy a fix. To improve quality and productivity, it's now a requirement to automate tasks such as testing and deployment. For software, continuous integration with automated builds and code reviews are a standard operating procedure. For hardware, such as semiconductors, automation can include testing with FPGAs and integration with simulation verification and synthesis systems. This means your version control system is the center of the IP universe, and the right version control system can handle millions of automated transactions per day with millions of files. Companies operate where the talent lives. This means you might have design and development centers in Minneapolis, Seattle, Toronto, and Shanghai. And when deadlines loom, you might need to add engineers in Paris and possibly even in Taipei. You need a way to provide global access to your team members at all your facilities. Having a single source of truth with appropriately secured identity and access management is critical for your success. The ability to facilitate reuse of IPs and software is one of the most valuable benefits of using the right version control system. There are a lot of great reasons to track who, what, when, and why changes are being made to software and hardware designs. Version control has the ability to capture detailed information and give you access to such history forever. If governance and regulatory needs are in the picture, such as for automotive, aerospace, medical device, and semiconductor companies, the right version control system can provide data to satisfy those needs. The most expensive asset you have is your product development team. You can't have them idled because they've lost access to the code. With the right version control system, you can have a replica of your enterprise, your single source of truth, operating in another location. Whatever your industry, you can benefit from the right version control. It can help you manage development, automate processes, enhance collaboration, and ensure that your most valuable assets are always protected. Helix Core version control from Perforce is the right choice. Join our demo to discover all the benefits for your organization.